getting a good head of steam with a lot of room to work with. As they start, now you'll notice it's a little slippery now. It will dry out quickly as they go through and kind of knock the top surface of wet soil off and get to some of the drier underneath. So it's a little slick here at the start, but I guarantee you it's going to dry out here pretty quickly. Oh, a good shot delivered by Chris Giuliano in 19J. Right now, everybody looking for a spot. Nobody's out of it yet. $1,000 to the winner. Big payday here in the Halloween Demolition Derby. Jeff Anthony in the 64, able to get a lick in on Jose Ion, who's at 22. Tim Palacios there in 36. Moving around, trying to find a spot. He wants to really be able to use that. Oh, he takes a shot, though. The 31 got a lick on him, Tom Albino, but Albino takes one from Chris Giuliano, who has been throwing some pretty good shots here in the early going. Nobody eliminated yet. Every car still moving. They're doing a dirty job over there with Mike Doyle in 70. That looked like Scrabble there for a minute. You know, you have word going up, word going to the side, and a word going to the other side. Oh, a crazy scooter in 14T in the middle. Thick boom. They're trying to knock him crazy. He's getting it from both sides. Jeff Mueller, the prettiest car. Not looking so pretty now. All right, lining them up. Coming in for the kill. Jose Ayer in number 22. Boom, goes the hard way.
Hey, different shit, they're gonna call him. What's his last name, Ion?
Jose Ion in 22. He was in our Enduro last time. Midnight Madness and the 70 car down there with him in the corner. Whoa, almost dangerously close to going out of bounds, but 22. Jose Ion apparently is still okay. Oh, yeah! Chris Giuliano gets it. Number 7, Mike Hogue on the clock. And in the middle there, Crazy Scooter in 14T. You can tell it's drying out, Mike. They're really starting to be able to deliver some blows now. You've seen the last several rounds here for the last minute or two. Some really good shots. Now, look at the 99A. He kind of let up, but Joe Reyes had the right idea. You know, you can use those pieces of concrete as kind of a weapon. You can smash somebody into it, you know? I mean, hey, Joe Reyes, there aren't a whole lot of rules for this game. 14, Brian Holt. He's doing it the hard way, going in from the front. Now, what's Ion doing? Red flag fire under the 19T. Red flag. 19J, I'm sorry, Chris Giuliano. Got a fire. I believe that is igniting as he's trying to refire the engine. Yeah, he's trying to get it going. So, unfortunately, Chris Giuliano, who was delivering some of the best shots early, may have paid the price because he may be gone. And he will finish last. And no one has been eliminated yet. It looks like 64 over there, Jeff Anthony. Is he out? Yeah, they're going to get Giuliano out of the car. Hey, he gave you some great shots right there. Give a big hand to Chris Giuliano.
Here, Nathan.
Here we go. Let's do it again, folks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crash! All right, Jeff
Jeff Anthony in 64 is back into it. Boom, into the 19 car. Well, the 7 car isn't doing too much.
Oh, Brian. Ooh, Brian.
I think Ione is...
Yeah, did I just like drive for him, or was that too late?
Ione going after 70. Mike Toyle Jr. Look out.
Look at him. Look
The
at
only car officially out of it so far, the 19J of Chris Giuliano.
Stop.
What about...
Yeah.
41 gets him. Bang! Nice shot, 41. Tom Chivers goes after Ione.
I know the 7's on the clock, and there's another car, I believe, on the clock. Trying to double check for sure. We know the 7 car, Mike Hogue, is going to have to deliver a blow soon or be eliminated. Brian Holt is also on the clock, apparently. The 14 gray car. So those 2 cars are the ones in jeopardy of going out. Not the 14J that you see in the middle. He has still been delivering some shots. It's the gray 14 over in the corner, as well as the 7 over in that corner. Now the 7 is moving. If he can... All right, 7 is moving. He's got to deliver a blow now, but it appears he has come off the clock. And yes, he makes contact and give it a shot, so he's off the clock. 7's still alive. 14, though, Holt is on the clock, and his time is about up.
Come on, Dave.
Officially, Holt is done. Brian Holt in number 14 is out. Now the 7 got off the clock, but apparently has stalled again. And I believe he is back on the clock.
Yeah, he's in his car. Stupid.
The ones they're keeping the eyes on right now are the 7 car all the way in the back, the 14T.
Excuse me.
14T is out. All right, we're told 14T is next out.
Is doing a fantastic job. The flags are still on their 99A. Now he's going around to do another loop. 7 is out. Mike Hogue.
And Mike, again, we got to give him a big tip of the hat. He was in the Enduro and came back. Now, 14T now is officially on the clock, so we're trying to get that information right. The crazy scooter car, he is on the clock now.
Try to take them out or nothing, would they? They're all 3 against 2. Not very nice. Mom obviously said he went trying to start car.
So we're down to 9 running, or 9 that are still not eliminated. 31 is out, and the 64 of Jeff Anthony out.
Boom, another one. Joe Reyes in 99. Look at 19. Doug Holt Jr.
The 22 of Jose Ion is out. He will finish 9th. firing some shots. And there's a few of these cars I think have still got a lot left in them.
41, Tom Chivers, man, that car's in pretty good shape. And Holt with the 19 pushes him into the wall.
Palacios, who ran well here Labor Day weekend in the 36. 14T is next to be eliminated. He'll finish 8th. So 14T, Crazy Scooter's out. 77, that is the Jeff Mueller car, the best looking car. Don't look so good no more, but he's on the clock right now. 77's got to get started and hit somebody, or he'll be the next one to be eliminated.
19, Doug Holt Jr. went in and banged the 70 car of Mike Doyle good, but I don't think it worked right because now Holt is stuck and Doyle is away.
Rocket, rocket, rocket!
Oh, he's jammed in there good, Scott.
Yeah, Mueller came and kind of missed his shot, and he got himself in a bad spot. Look at this, Palacios. I told you could use that concrete as a weapon. He tried to shove Holt right through there.
Yeah, stupid ass, you gotta move.
Mueller in the 77. 77. Mueller is off the clock officially now.
He made it.
He delivered a blow, so he's still alive.
Brian was barely dead and they called him.
I know. Yeah.
And Tom Chivers in 41 gets Mueller in the quarter panel.
Well, I'll tell you, these guys are banging now. I guarantee you they're delivering shots.
Oh, let's look at 99 Ace. Got Joe Reyes. Uh-oh.
7 cars still in contention for the $1,000 first prize. No one on the clock at this moment.
And Reyes is still going.
The number 99A also, Reyes, you're talking about him. He just gave a nice shot there. We're going to put 41 on the clock. Tom Chivers goes on the clock. He has to hit somebody in a minute or he's out. So coming back from the disabled, there was Jeff Mueller in the 77. His clock was about to expire, and he finally got it rolling and hit somebody, so he's still in there.
Nathan, sit down.
There he goes. Mueller is on again. Okay.
Both of you are not going to do it anymore.
Chivers seems to be moving. It looked like he tried to put in gear, but he's got to go hit somebody. Is his problem.
Stop holding it. Damn.
Again, our officials. 41 is out. He'll finish 7th. Tom Chivers in number 41 officially finishes 7th.
Yeah.
So 77 still going. 12, Jim Folsom. Mike Dole in 70 car.
Doug Holt delivered a big shot with his front edge. You normally don't want to do that, but Tim Palacios will do the same thing. What's happened now is they've got it down. I mean, this is kind of the cutting time right here, baby, that you got to let it go. And so if you have to hit with the front, you hit with the front. You didn't bring this car with you to take it home anyway. So they've got themselves now into the top 6, all these cars that are still running. And what they want to do now is do whatever it takes to win. The 70 car, Mike Doyle did make a shot on 36, and I thought they were about to... Oh! Wow!
Joe Reyes goes for it. It's some T-bone time.
6 cars, I'll tell you, these things are tanks. Still running.
Palacios goes in, misses him on the nose. Now Mueller is setting it up, goes after Reyes. Now Folsom's still moving around there in that 12, a little slow. Let's see what Palacios gets him.
Again, as of this moment, no one is on the clock. Everyone has made contact within a reasonable amount of time, although Doyle seems to be continuing to lose power. He's trying to start it again, and I'm assuming, as I speak, I hear Willie Williams calling out that number 70 is on the clock. He's got a minute. And he's rolling.
Rolled right over
So he should be okay.
All right. Oh!
Number 70.
70 got right into the number 12, the Jim Folsom.
Word we've gotten up here is that the number 12 is next out.
Yeah.
For two, apparently it happened twice, but for driver's door hits, the number 12 is out. Again, not many rules, but you cannot hit the driver's door is the main safety, one of the main safety rules, obviously, in demolition derby action. So let's see now. We have 5 still going.
Got Doyle in 70,
Right.
Palacios in 36, Mealer in 77. Scott, I only see...
There should be 5 still rolling.
Is Joe still moving? Joe Reyes? He's trying.
He and Holt seem to be hooked up there together, and Doyle...
Palacios.
Well, Doyle was about to go back on the clock, but he's moving again, so I'm assuming he's going to be okay if he can get up and deliver a blow. And he is moving.
Oh, Mealer sets it up. Here comes Mike Doyle. Oh!
Both 99 and 19 have gone on the clock.
Uh-oh. 36, Palacios.
Palacios is on the clock. So everybody basically is on the clock, and it's just the order they went on the clock if they can't get going. Basically, it comes down to these 5 cars. Mealer at 77, Doyle at 70, Holt 19, 36 is out. Palacios finishes 5th. Tim Palacios finishes 5th. 77 delivered a blow. 77 has delivered the last blow.
Come on, Dad!
77 is rolling.
Come over here.
Everybody else is on the clock.
And Joe's still going. Joe Reyes in 99 and the 19 car, Doug Holt Jr. Man, they came close on the clock, Scott.
They're rolling again. Now they have to... 70 is out. Mike Doyle works up.
Oh, look at that. Joe Reyes. Joe Reyes.
Mike Doyle will be credited with 4th place.
Scott, Joe Reyes slammed into the 77 car of Jeff Mealer.
And that's it for Mealer. He's done. That's too bad for a minute there when those cars were stuck together. He looked like he was going to be the winner, but he is now out. Mealer finishes 3rd. That's good for $300.
I'll take it.
It's a junk car there, huh? Not bad.
Now look at this. It comes.
No contact there. So they want to finish the other one off, but they also want to make sure that they get the last lick in. You know, it's kind of like when you have a fight with your brother or your sister. You got to have the last word. Uh-oh. It was behind.
It was behind the door.
The word is, the officials, that they said it was behind the driver's door. The shot was not called in the driver's door. But that might have finished him off. They're going to put him on the clock.